Hello and a very warm welcome to all the enthusiastic learners joining us today. Today's we are going to further explore and discuss about review of the course material of biomedical instrumentation and sensors. This course covers the principles and applications of instrumentation and sensors in the field of biomedical engineering. It explores fundamental concepts such as sensors, transducers, signal processing and data acquisition. The course delves into the various types of sensors used in healthcare, including biosensors, temperature sensors and pressure sensors. It discusses techniques for acquiring and processing data from sensors, including amplification, filtering and digitization. The course explains how instrumentation and sensors are pivotal in medical imaging technologies like X-rays, MRI and ultrasound. Real world examples showcase how these concepts are applied in medical devices and healthcare settings. Students explore the challenges faced in developing biomedical instrumentation and stay updated on recent advancement in sensor technology. Students are encouraged to consider the future of this field, exploring emerging trends and areas of research. Overall, this courage equips students with the knowledge and skills needed to design, implement and optimize biomedical instruments and sensors for a wide range of medical applications. The course Biomedical Instrumentation and Sensors is a fundamental component of biomedical engineering education. It provides students with a comprehensive understanding of how instrumentation and sensors are integral to the field of biomedical engineering. Now we discuss importance in biomedical engineering. This course is crucial because it equips students with the knowledge and skills needed to develop, maintain and innovate medical devices. It explores the design and application of sensors that monitor physiological parameters, making it essential for the development of medical diagnostics and treatment tools. Biomedical instrumentation and sensors are at the heart of medical imaging technologies, enabling non-invasive diagnosis and monitoring. In an era of advancing healthcare technology, this course prepares future biomedical engineers to contribute to improving patient care and advancing medical research. Certainly, here's an overview of the course on biomedical instrumentation and sensors, including its duration, main topics covered, and any prerequisites. First chapter, Introduction, overview of biomedical instrumentation and sensors, human anatomy and physiology relevant to biomedical instrumentation and sensors, use of metamaterial in biomedical applications. Second chapter we discuss about biosensors and transducer, types of biomedical sensors like that optical, chemical, electrical etc. Sensor characteristics, sensitivity, selectivity, stability, response time and accuracy. Third chapter we have discussed about bioelectric measurement, characteristics of biopotentials and electrodes, electrodes and electrode skin interface, electrocardiography, electromyography and electroencephalography and their applications. Fourth chapter we have discussed medical imaging system, X-ray imaging, computed tomography, magnetic resonance imaging, ultrasound imaging, echocardiograph. Fifth chapter we have discussed signal processing techniques for biomedical signals, amplifiers, filters and signal conditioning, data acquisition and processing systems, Fourier transforms, time frequency analysis. Sixth chapter about clinical laboratory instrumentation and sensors, monitoring and diagnostic system, blood pressure measurement, cardiac output measurement, respiratory function measurement, therapeutic devices, therapeutic and prosthetic devices, implantable sensors and instrumentations. Seventh chapter we have discussed emerging technology in biomedical instrumentation and sensors, wearable sensors and devices, Internet of Things in healthcare, artificial intelligence and machine learning in biomedical instrumentation and sensors, telemedicine, applications of telemedicines, cyber medicines. Eighth chapter discussion about the ethical consideration in biomedical instrumentation and sensors, clinical data interchange or exchange, standards, privacy and security concerned in medical data, regulatory requirement of medical devices, ethical consideration in clinical trials and research. Now, we will going about fundamental concepts and principles. First is sensors and transducers, devices that converts physical or biochemical properties into electrical signals. They are fundamental components in measuring various physiological parameters. Second is signal processing, the manipulation and enhancement of sensors signals to extract meaningful information, including amplification, filtering and digitization. Third is data acquisition, the process of collecting, measuring and storing data from sensors for analysis and interpretation. Fourth is biopotential measurements, the recording and analysis of electrical signals generated by biological systems such as electrocardiography for heart activity or electromyography for muscle activity. Fifth is biomechanical sensors, sensors used to measure mechanical properties like force, pressure and displacement in biological systems. Sixth, biochemical sensors, devices that detect and quantify specific biochemical substances often used in diagnostic applications. Seventh is medical imaging, the use of various technologies such as X-rays, MRI and ultrasound to create visual representation of internal structure of the body. Eighth is biosensors, specialized sensors that combine a biological component with a transducer to detect specific biological molecules or reactions. Ninth is telemedicine, the remote monitoring and diagnosis of patients using biomedical sensors and communication technology. Now, we will going to key terminologies in this subject. Transducer, a device that converts one form of energy or physical quantity into another, that is, a pressure transducer converts mechanical pressure into an electrical signal. Analog signal, a continuous signal that varies smoothly and can represent physical quantities precisely. Digital signal, a signal represented in discrete values, typically binary and suitable for processing by digital systems. Amplification, the process of increasing the magnitude of an electrical signal, crucial for improving signal to noise ratio. Noise, unwanted random variations in the signals that can obscure the desired information. Calibration, the process of adjusting and standardizing sensors to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Electrode, a conductor that makes direct contact with the body to measure electrical signals, often used in biopotential measurements. Resolution: the smallest change in a signal that can be detected or represented by a sensor or data acquisition system. Biocompatibility: the property of sensors or materials that ensures they do not harm or elicit an adverse response when in contact with biological tissues. Accuracy: the degree of closeness between a sensor's measurement and the true value of the quantity being measured. Understanding these fundamental concepts and terminologies is essential for students to grasp the principles of biomedical instrumentation and sensors, enabling them to design, operate and troubleshoot these critical devices effectively. Now we discuss about role of sensors in biomedical field. Patient monitoring: sensors continuously monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, temperature and oxygen saturation. This data is critical for assessing a patient's health status in real life, especially in intensive care units. Disease diagnosis: sensors are used for diagnosing diseases by detecting specific biomarkers. For instance, glucose sensors are vital for monitoring blood sugar levels in diabetes management. Medical imaging: sensors are integrated into various medical imaging devices. For example, X-ray sensors capture images of internal structures, while ultrasound sensors generate images by emitting and receiving sound waves. Drug delivery: sensors in infusion pumps and drug delivery systems ensure accurate dosing and controlled drug administration. Prosthetics and assistive devices: force and motion sensors are used in prosthetic limbs and assistive devices to enable natural movement and enhance the quality of life for individuals with disabilities. Biofeedback and rehabilitation: sensors provide real-time feedback during physical therapy and rehabilitation exercises, helping patients regain strength and mobility. Telemedicine: remote patient monitoring relies on sensors to transmit health data to healthcare providers, allowing for timely interventions and reducing the need for frequent clinic visits. Examples of different types of sensors: first, electrochemical sensors used in blood glucose monitoring. They detect glucose levels by measuring electrical currents generated during enzymatic reactions. Second is temperature sensors, vital for monitoring body temperature and detecting fever. Infrared thermometers and thermocouples are common examples. Third is pressure sensors, used in blood pressure, coughs and ventilators to measure blood pressure and airway pressure, ensuring patient safety and comfort. Fourth is electrocardiogram sensors. These sensors record the electrical activity of the heart, aiding in the diagnosis of arrhythmias and heart conditions. Fifth is pulse oximeters, measure the oxygen saturation levels in the blood by detecting the absorption of light in the pulsating blood vessels, crucial for monitoring respiratory conditions. Sixth is ultrasound transducers, generate and receive ultrasound waves for imaging internal organs and structures in the obstetrics, cardiology and other medical specialties. Seventh is MRI and CT sensors. Specialized sensors capture signals used to create detailed cross-sectional images for the body, aiding in the diagnosis of various conditions. Eighth is accelerometers and gyroscopes used in variable fitness trackers and fall detection systems to monitor physical activity and detect sudden movements or falls. Ninth is chemical and biosensors detect specific molecules or biomarkers such as pH sensors, DNA sensors and enzyme based biosensors for applications like DNA testing and pathogen detection. These examples showcase the diverse range of sensors in healthcare, each serving a unique purpose in enhancing patient care, diagnosis and treatment. Sensors are at the forefront of advancing medical technology and improving the quality of healthcare services. We will discuss about data acquisition. Data acquisition is the process of collecting raw data from sensors and converting it into a digital format for analysis and storage. Second is signal conditioning. Signal conditioning prepares the raw sensor signal for accurate and reliable processing. Third is amplification. Amplification increases the strength of the sensor signal to improve its accuracy and detectability. Fourth is signal processing. Signal processing involves analyzing, filtering and extracting relevant information from the acquired data. These instrumentation techniques are the backbone of medical engineering, ensuring that data from various sensors are accurately acquired, conditioned and processed to provide valuable insights for healthcare diagnostics, monitoring and research. Instrumentation and sensors are integral components of medical imaging techniques like X-rays, MRI and ultrasound, playing crucial roles in acquiring high quality images for medical diagnosis and treatment. Here is a description of their roles in each of these imaging modalities. First, X-rays. X-rays are commonly used for imaging bones, detecting fractures, dental examinations and identifying abnormalities in the chest and abdomen. Second is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. MRI is used for detailed imaging of soft tissues including the brain, spinal cord, muscles and internal organs. It is valuable for diagnosing neurological, musculoskeletal and abdominal conditions. Third is ultrasound. Ultrasound is versatile and is used for imaging various body parts including the abdomen, heart and obstetric imaging. It is also used for real time guidance during procedures. In summary, instrumentation and sensors in medical imaging techniques are responsible for generating, detecting and converting signals into images that provide valuable diagnostic information. These technologies have revolutionized medical diagnostics and are essential tools for healthcare professionals in the diagnosis and treatment of various medical conditions. Now, we are going to discuss about continuous glucose monitoring systems. Mainly diabetes patients benefit from continuous diagnostic about CGM systems that use sensors to monitor glucose levels continuously. Magnetic resonance imaging in neuroimaging. MRI is widely used in neuroscience research and clinical practice. Wearable ECG monitors. Wearable devices like the Apple Watch incorporate ECG sensors. Pulse oximeter in COVID-19 monitoring. During the COVID-19 pandemic, pulse oximeters gained prominence for monitoring patients' oxygen saturation levels. Wireless capsule endoscopy. Capsule endoscopy uses a small investigational sensor equipped capsule for gastrointestinal imaging. Functional MRI for brain research. Functional MRI combines MRI technology with sensors to measure brain activity. Now we are going to robotic surgery with surgical robots. The Da Vinci surgical system is a widely used robotic surgical platform. Second is implantable cardiovascular defibrillators. ICDs are implantable devices that monitor heart rhythms and deliver shocks to treat life-threatening arrhythmias. Third is smart inhalers for asthma management. Smart inhalers incorporate sensors to improve asthma management. Fourth is hemodynamic monitoring in critical care. Hemodynamic monitoring systems are used in intensive care units. Fifth is wireless EEG headsets for brain computer interfaces. EEG headsets like the Emotive Insight are used for brain computer interfacing applications. Sixth is optical coherence tomography in ophthalmology. OCT is a non-invasive imaging technique used in ophthalmology. Challenges in biomedical instrumentation. First, accuracy and precision. Ensuring the accuracy and precision of sensors and instruments is crucial, as small measurement errors can have significant consequences in medical applications. Second, biocompatibility. Instruments and sensors used in direct contact with the human body must be biocompatible to avoid adverse reactions or tissue damage. Third is miniaturization. Many medical devices aim to be minimally invasive, requiring sensors and instrumentation to be miniaturized for easy insertion and operation. Fourth is power efficiency. In portable and implantable devices, power consumption is critical. Sensors and instruments must be designed to operate efficiently to extend battery life. Fifth is data security and privacy. Protecting patient data is essential, especially in telemedicine and remote monitoring applications. Ensuring data security and privacy is a persistent challenge. Sixth, calibration and maintenance. Regular calibration and maintenance are required to ensure the accuracy of biomedical instruments, adding to the cost and complexity of healthcare systems. Now, we will discuss about recent advancements and innovations in sensor technologies. Flexible and wearable sensors. Flexible and wearable sensors have emerged, allowing for continuous monitoring of various health parameters such as body temperature, heart rate and glucose levels. These sensors are comfortable and offer real-time data for personalized health care. Nanotechnology and nanosensors. Nanoscale Sensors have advanced diagnostics and imaging. They can detect these diseases at an earlier stage and provide insights at the cellular level. Lab on a chip devices. These compact devices integrate multiple sensors for diagnostics, enabling rapid and cost effective testing for conditions like infections, diseases or cancer markers. Biosensors for point of care testing. Advances in biosensor technology have led to rapid point of care diagnostic tools that can detect specific biomarkers, revolutionizing early disease detection and monitoring. Artificial intelligence integration. AI algorithms are increasingly integrated with sensors to enhance data analysis, interpretation and predictive modeling. This allows for more accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment recommendations. Now, we have discussed about implantable sensors and bioelectronics. Implantable sensors are becoming more sophisticated, offering continuous monitoring and real-time feedback for chronic conditions such as diabetes and neurological disorders. Photonic sensors. Optical and photonic sensors are improving medical imaging techniques such as optical coherence tomography and fluorescence imaging, enabling high resolution non-invasive diagnostics. IoT and remote monitoring. The Internet of Things is connecting medical sensors and devices to the cloud, enabling remote monitoring of patients. This has been particularly important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Advanced imaging sensors. Advances in image sensors and detectors have led to higher resolution and more sensitive medical imaging sensors or systems, improving early diagnosis and treatment planning. These recent advancements demonstrate the ongoing progress in sensor technology for biomedical applications. These innovations are addressing challenges in accuracy, precision and patient care while opening new possibilities for improved healthcare and medical research. Here is how the course material relates to enhancing healthcare outcomes and the impact of biomedical instrumentation on patient care. Early diagnosis and monitoring. Biomedical instrumentation and sensors enable early disease detection and continuous patient monitoring. Treatment personalization. Sensors and instrumentation provide real-time data on a patient's physiological status. Minimally invasive procedures. Biomedical instruments such as surgical robots and image guided tools enable minimally invasive surgeries. Telemedicine and remote monitoring. Remote patient monitoring enabled by sensors and telemedicine platforms allows patients to receive care from their homes. Enhanced imaging and diagnostics. Advanced imaging techniques like MRI, CT scans and ultrasound provide detailed insights into medical conditions. Safety and quality assurance. Biomedical instrumentation ensures the safety and effectiveness of medical devices and procedures. Research and advancements. Biomedical instrumentation supports medical research, allowing for the development of new therapies, drugs and medical technologies. The future of biomedical instrumentation and sensors holds great promise, driven by technological advancements and evolving healthcare needs. Here are insights into emerging trends and areas of research in the field. First, wearable health monitoring devices. Wearable sensors and devices for continuous health monitoring are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Emerging technologies include smart textile, flexible sensors and integrated wearables. These devices offer real-time data on various health parameters, enabling proactive healthcare management. Second is implantable sensors and bioelectronics. Implantable sensors are advancing in terms of miniaturization, biocompatibility and data transmission capabilities. They enable long-term monitoring of chronic conditions, drug delivery and neural interfaces. Research is ongoing to improve power efficiency and extend the lifespan of implantable devices. Third is point of care testing. Point of care sensors and diagnostic devices are becoming more accessible and user friendly. Fourth is artificial intelligence integration. AI and machine learning algorithms are increasingly integrated with biomedical sensors. They enhance data analysis, pattern recognition and predictive modeling. AI driven diagnostics and treatment recommendations are becoming more accurate and personalized. Fifth is telemedicine and remote monitoring. Telemedicine and remote patient monitoring are expanding, driven by sensor equipped devices and telehealth platforms. Sixth is nanoscale sensors and nanotechnology. Nanosensors are offering high sensitivity and specificity for early disease detection. Nanotechnology is enabling targeted drug delivery and precision medicine. Research explores the use of nanomaterials and nanoparticles for sensor development, organ on a chip and 3D bioprinting. Biomedical instrumentation is facilitating the development of organ on a chip platforms for drug testing and disease modeling. 3D bioprinting techniques integrated with sensors enable the creation of functional tissues and organs for transplantation and research. Eighth is environmental and health monitoring. Biomedical sensors are being utilized for environmental monitoring, detecting pollutants and pathogens. This helps in early warning systems for disease outbreaks and environmental hazards. Ninth is personalized medicine and genomic sensors. Genomic sensors and sequencing technologies are enabling personalized medicine approaches. 10th is ethical and regulatory considerations. As technology advances, there is a growing focus on ethical issues, privacy concern and regulatory frameworks in healthcare data and sensor use. In conclusion, the future of biomedical instrumentation and sensors is characterized by innovations that empower individuals to take charge of their health, enable early disease detection, enhance the precision of treatments and improve overall health care delivery. These emerging trends and areas of research hold the potential to transform healthcare and advance our understanding of the human body and its interactions with technology. Thank you.